Find the positive root of x cube equal to 2x plus 5 by false position method. Let's solve it. The first step is we have to find out the interval in which the root lies. For that, let us take f of x equal to, so it is given like this, so convert this as an equation, that is bring all the values to the left hand side. It is x cube minus 2x minus 5, which is equal to 0. This is the given function. Now we have to find out the interval in which the root lies. As I said, try with different values of x by substituting it in the function starting with x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, we have to find out the value of this function and we have to find out what is the sign of the value. Let me tell you how to use calculator to find out the value of this equation. X cube, x is near the closing bracket, so to get that in the calculator, press alpha and then this closing bracket, which gives you x. It is x cube here, so to get cube, press shift and then x square, then minus 2x, press minus 2, again you need x there, so alpha plus closing bracket, which shows you x there in the calculator, minus 5. So after typing the formula, press CALC, this button, which fix the formula in your calculator and ask for the x value. Now the value of x is 0, so give it as 0 there and then equal to, that is 0 cube minus 2 into 0 minus 5. The answer is minus 5 here, which is negative. Then substitute the value of x equal to 1, which is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 5. Again you press equal to symbol itself, again it asks for new x value. Now it is 1, just give 1 alone and press equal to. The answer is minus 6, which is again a negative value. Now x equal to 3, 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5. Again press equal to symbol to type the new x value 3. Press equal to. The answer is 16. Now you got the answer with positive sign. You can observe that in last two values there is a changeover in the sign. So x equal to 2 gives a negative sign and x equal to 3 gives a positive sign. Root lies between 2 and 3. Next is you have to find out the approximated value with the formula of regular falsy method. Before finding the approximated value x1, let us draw a tabular column like this, mentioning the sign, value and the function value, which will be helpful for us to proceed further without any confusions. So this is minus and this is plus. So a and b are the intervals. It is taken as 2 and on substituting 2 in the function we got the answer as minus 1 and b value is 3. On substituting 3 in the function we got the function's value as 16, which is of sign positive. Our next step is finding out the approximated value x1. A into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Now let me tell you how to use this formula in the calculator. For that we have to do a little modification in the formula. Let us assume the value of a as capital A, b as capital B and f of a as capital C and f of b as capital D. So when you assume like that, this formula will be changed as, instead of small a, it is capital A. F of b means capital D minus b is represented as capital B, f of a is represented as C divided by f of b is represented as D minus f of a is represented as capital C. Now it is easier to feed this formula in the calculator. To avoid confusion, enclose this numerator and denominators with bracket. So open the bracket, alpha A, then it is D. So D is here above the sign button. So alpha D minus BC. So B is above the dot. So alpha B, then alpha C. Close the bracket, divided by D minus C. Again open the bracket, D is here. Alpha D minus alpha C is above this button, and close the bracket. Press the button CALC. It asks for the value ABCD. Before that, substitute the values what we have entered in the tabular column. So x1 equal to A is 2 into f of B is 16 minus B is 3. F of A is minus 1 divided by f of B minus f of A, which is 16 minus of minus 1, which is plus 1. We know that this is A, D, B, C, D and C. A value it is 2 equal to D value it is 16 equal to B value 3 equal to C value it is minus 1. Again when you press equal to, it gives you the final answer 2.059. So the value of x1 is 2.059. Now you got the value of x1, which is the first approximated value. Our next step is to find out the function's value. Now you have to substitute this x1 in the given function, which is x cube minus 2x minus 5. So x cube means this is x now, 2.059 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.059 minus 5. The answer is, already this formula is typed in the calculator. So when you press this arrow mark, that formula will be displayed to you. It is asking for x value now. X value is 2.059. 2.059 equal to, the answer is minus 0.389. Now you got the new value, which is a negative value. This gives the conclusion that the approximated x1 value is near the value of A. So write x1 here, and the value of x1 is 2.059 and the function's value is minus 0.389. Therefore, root lies between 2.059 and 3. Let us find the next approximated value x2. In the formula A into FB. So this is A now. So A into FB minus B into FA divided by f of B minus f of A. So this is A, 2.059. So A into f of B is 16 minus B is 3 into f of A is minus 0.389 divided by f of B minus f of A. F of B is 16 minus f of A is minus 0.389. Now you want to get the value for this formula. When you press this up arrow, it will show you the previous formula. Now you can press CALC button, which asks for the values A, B, C and D. It is asking for the value A, which is this one, 2.059 equal to D value is 16. You can type in the same order. Equal to B value is 3 and C value is minus 0.389. When you press equal to, it shows the answer of the second approximated value, which is 2.081. We want to find out the value of f of x2. 2.081 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.081 minus 5. equal to. So to know the sign, again press this arrow button. The value of x is 2.081. See, the answer is negative. So note it down near the x1. x2, the value of x2 is 2.081 and the function value what you got is minus 0.150. Now our root lies between x2 and b. Here you can see the tabulated value which shows the value of the approximated values x1, x2, x3 and x4. So at this stage it is known that the root lies between 2.093 and 3. Our next step is to find out the next approximated value x5. The formula is, now this is your a value, so a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Let us substitute these values to find the value of the approximated value x5. So a value is 2.093 into f of b is 16 minus b value is 3, f of a value is minus 0.017 divided by f of b minus f of a, which is 16 minus of 0.017. Now let us try this in the calculator. So press this arrow which shows the already entered formula. Now press this button CALC which asks for the a value. A value is 2.093. Press equal to. It asks for d value. It is 16. Then equal to. B value is 3 equal to C value is minus 0.017. Press equal to. It gives a value as 2.094. Sorry, that is the value of x5. 2.094. Next is we have to substitute this value in the given function x cube minus 2x minus 5. Oh, the x value is this one, 2.094 the whole cube minus 2 into 2.094 minus 5 equal to. Go to the calculator, press the up arrow. It shows the formula. Now press CALC button. It asks for x value. X value is 2.094 equal to. The answer is minus 0.006. Minus 0.006. Again it is negative value only. So it has to be entered. It has to be entered in the side of negative. x5. The answer what you got is 0.006 and the value of x5 is 2.094. It differs only by 0.001. You can stop at this stage itself because the value gets converged, or further you can go for one more step also. I am stopping here, but still let us try with one more approximated value. x6 equal to. So now the formula is, this is a now, a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So let me try with the sixth approximated value also. A value is 2.094 equal to d value is 16 equal to b value is 3 equal to c value is minus 0.006 equal to. Now you can see the value is 2.094. It is repeated. 2.094. Put one more column and include the value of x6 also. Since the value gets repeated, it gives the conclusion that 2.094 is the root for the given equation. This is the root of the given equation.